If you're a founder watching your AI spend creep up, per seat plans here, a credit system there, this pricing model is worth 3 minutes of your attention because it's built the other way around. The standard playbook first. You pay per seat per month forever. 10 people, 10 subscriptions. And on many agent platforms, your AI usage is resold to you as credits, where the exchange rate is where the margin hides. Quiet month or busy month, the bill barely moves. ReinaX publishes the opposite structure. One flat platform fee, starter at €199 a month, Pro at $899, Premium at $2,500. Enterprise Custom. There's an optional €1,000 one-time installation on the higher plans where they install your brands for clients, and annual billing saves 15%. No per-seat meter and unlimited agents on every single plan. Then the part that surprises people. You connect your own AI provider account, GPT, Claude, Gemini, or supported open source and self-hosted models. Usage is billed by your provider directly at their cost. ReinaX adds no markup, and the site's phrasing is exact. Quiet month costs less, nothing padded into your bill. That also means no lock-in on the model layer. You choose the models, you can switch them, and if you have privacy requirements, you can run supported self-hosted options. You own the AI account. The platform is the workforce around it. What the flat fee buys is the platform itself. 200 plus specialized agents, memory, files, workflows, WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, email, and calendar channels, 130 plus integrations, and white label installations for client work. Their published deployment claim is 1 click, live in 5 minutes. Do the comparison on your own numbers. Take what you spend on seats and credits today and price the same output as one flat fee plus usage at cost. That's the whole pitch, and every piece of it is checkable on their site, which is the best kind of pitch. The full pricing is public at ReinaX.io. Get started today, connect your own AI account, and watch where every cent goes. Having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Check these guys out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll see you all in the next video.